All right, Matt. So the other day we were talking about remote start saunas and how there's some connectivity issues, there's Wi-Fi issues. Sometimes they don't let you start it from far away. I'm not going to name any specific brands actually, but and then there's some saunas that you want a remote start that you just can't do it. But the other day I saw something, and I think you saw it too. How can we make any sauna, no matter what size, what model, whatever it is, remote start?
So, I can't take credit for this. I didn't come up with it. The wonderful group members in the Certified Sauna community, which is our Facebook group, there's over 30,000 people in there. Genius people, great, awesome people who are on a quest just like us, for health and wellness. They came up with the idea of adding a switch bot to the face of an antiquated control panel that doesn't have wireless connectivity. Genius. I didn't think of it. Like I said, full credit goes to them. The group members are awesome that come up with some of these things. We have another set of group members that are doing like VOC or CO2 testing actually. And they're coming up with awesome ways to add ventilation. They also come up with, just to give a shout out to more of them, I don't know if they want me to mention them by name or not, but they're also putting wireless fans in the saunas to increase the heat distribution, create some more convection in them. But back to the switch bots. If you go in the Facebook group and just search for SwitchBot, they have figured out a way to get these $30 or $40 remote start SwitchBot button pusher things. I don't know what you call them, from Amazon. We can put a link to them somewhere. And they mount them inside the sauna, and then they use their phone to basically push the buttons for them. And so they can take a cheap sauna, they can take an old sauna, they can take pretty much any sauna that you want and turn it into a remote start from a smartphone app that you can control from anywhere. It's amazing to watch the Certified Sauna community, our Facebook group, grow because tons of people are getting great results. Tons of people are getting healthier. Tons of people are doing more activities with their kids, traveling more, doing things that they've always wanted to do. Why? Because they're putting in the work, they're supporting each other, they're coming up with new innovative ideas. I love to contribute, but I also learn from the group members too. So we're basically like a tight-knit community that's focused on health and wellness, and everyone's just kind of like on our own path. Some of us at different points in our lives, different health conditions, different struggles, different this. But to watch everybody's lives improve, that's the real benefit to the community. I love it. I love that they contribute to it, and I want to give them props as much as I possibly can. Join the Certified Sauna community on Facebook. Again, there's 30,000 people in there, so there's a lot of helpful information. In addition to that, over the last 6 years, we've done 700 videos here on YouTube. Tons of health and wellness content. Some of it's old, you got to search for it, but I guarantee you, if there's something sauna related, we've got you covered.